Okay, ignore the little red splotches on my face. I just picked up my skin, but I just got home from school and I have my first of probably many Sephora sale packages. Okay, first starting with the samples. I always opt for the perfume samples just so I can keep them in my bag. This is Skylar Coconut Cove and then Giorgio Armani Acqua di Gio. First thing I got in this package is a mini of the Anastasia lash bag mascara. I used to wear it. This was like my go-to mascara a couple years ago, and I've been like looking back at pictures and just been like, damn, like my eyelashes look so good. So got a mini one of her. And then the thing that I'm most excited for with this whole order, I got one of the Hourglass holiday palettes, which I have been wanting one for years. I've never been able to afford it. I am a Rouge now at Sephora, so with the 20% off, I could do it. And this is so pretty. Okay. This is gonna be... Here are the swatches. 2 blushes. This one's really light, so I'm like, maybe I should have gotten the leopard. But bronzer, highlighter, and then the 2 finishing powders, and it's beautiful. Okay, Sephora haul part 2. Okay, starting with the free samples, I got Polo Red Little Cologne sample. This is what my boyfriend wore for the first like year of our relationship, so reminds me of him. And then I just got a little Summer Fridays eye cream. This one is a repurchase. It's the Rare Beauty Perfect Strokes Volumizing Mascara. And then this was on sale, and I've been wanting like a true contour, so I figured I would try this one out. It's from Iconic London. It's called the Precision Duo Contour Pot. So it has like, if I can figure out how to open this with my nails. Okay, so I got it in the shade medium shadow. And then from Kosas, I got one of their little holiday gift sets. I've been wanting to try the wet stick after, I mean, Ken's Nation wears them all the time, and I loved her. She shot the campaign, so I wanted to get this color, and for the same price you also get a little mini lip oil, but this is in the shade Heat Wave. Okay, ignore the fact that my bed has no sheets. They're currently in the wash, but I got a package. It's not from Amazon, although it may look like it, but it's from Depop. I just got this Aritzia bodysuit that I've been wanting for quite some time. It's just black. Looks like this, like a deep plunge Aritzia Babaton bodysuit. I did not realize that Aritzia bodysuits don't have the like snaps, so that kind of sucks, but cute. Whole time I just went to like a little vintage like flea market thing that happens once every like 2 seasons. Like it happens like in the fall and in the spring in my city, and I got 2 things, both of which I'm very excited about. First thing, I have a feeling like it's gonna be too big. It's a size large, but like I think I can make it work. I fell in love with this color and this fabric. It's like just like this little tank top, but then it has like the ties at the sides, so like you can cinch it to yourself. So like I feel like I can make it work because like this is so beautiful. And then second thing is just this pair of like dark, not like dark cream, I don't know, they're like gray Calvin Klein jeans, long left, all that stuff. Time for a quick little haul. I just got back from work, but these came earlier today and I'm so happy. Also, I just lost a nail. Look at how bad that looks. It fell off when I was taking out the trash. But AirPod Maxes, I got a like gently used pair off of eBay, and I love them. And then I got a package while I was away at work, and I was like, I didn't order anything. And my dad sent me a picture, and it's from Missouri for their holiday campaign. So I always feel so fancy opening their packages. Okay, I just thought that this ring was so pretty, and I've been needing to get some new rings just because like my fingers increased in size, and I thought this was so pretty. It's like a triple band with a little, sorry that's gross, with a little, it's like supposed to look like a snake, but I don't know, I just think it's so pretty, and it matches the rest of the jewelry that I wear pretty well. And yeah, I just got back from the gym to a package. I was browsing Lioness's site when I saw this jacket, and I was like, oh, that's so cute, like I'm gonna save it to my wish list like for Black Friday because it's like $100. But then I checked Depop, and an influencer that like I follow, like I've had the TikTok of her wearing this jacket saved saved in my favorites. She was selling it for like $50. So this brown little motorcycle jacket, and yeah, it's like more of like a suede material. It's a lot thinner than the other ones that I've collected, but that makes sense because it's not vintage and it's like, you know what I mean? But cute. My jacket collection is complete. Package time. I ordered from a couple things from Zara for an upcoming trip, and these just shipped yesterday. Like they weren't supposed to be here until Wednesday, so this is very good. I hope that it's everything, but we will find out. Okay, first thing is this gray sweater. Just a cute little soft gray sweater. I don't know, there's like nothing else really to it, but this is like so soft. Next thing is what I like made the order for. Well, like I made the order for all of them, but like I don't own any belts, and everybody needs a good belt, and I loved the buckle detailing on this one. It reminds me of the Heaven Mayhem belts, and yeah, so it just looks like this, and I thought it'd be cute for my ginormous pants. And then last but not least, I'm praying that this top fits, which I think it will. This is gonna be like my Thanksgiving top, but it says that it runs small, but it's like at the same time, like, do I believe that? So like I didn't know if I should size down or like order my true size or size up, so I ordered like, I'm like in between an extra small and small, and I got a small, so I'll try this on soon. Here is the sweater. It fits like perfectly, like it's baggy but then still like kind of fitted around the waist, like the hips, which is what I like, and it's so soft. Okay, and I'm too lazy to zip it all the way, but here, if I did zip it, here's what the top would look like, which so cute, perfect. And yeah, package time. My skin is going through it right now. Like this is better than it was a couple days ago, but like damn. Anywho, 2 packages. First one is from Depop. I am so excited about this shirt. It's from Aritzia, and I had originally, okay, it looks like tiny, but like it stretches, you know, like, yeah. I had originally seen a girl wearing a TikTok in the shirt, and she was like, yeah, like it's from Aritzia, but like it's from a couple years ago, so like I don't know what it's called. So I did like my Googling and I found it, and I kept my eye out for a couple months, and I just like, I could not find it in my size in white. Like, you know, I was watching for it to come through on like any and all resale platforms, and then the shirt was like $60 originally. It came through for 10 or like 15. I think I got this for like $15, and it's so cute with like the pearl buttons. It's kind of like a vest. Okay, my order from the Skims holiday shop. I got a little set. First is the cotton jersey long sleeve in the color brick, which they came out with this color a couple years ago, and I had like a boxer and bra set in this color that I sold And I'm like, oh, the color's back. It's also like the color of the season, so it really works out. And then I got, these are new, I got the matching cotton jersey pants, which I'm hoping, praying that they're long enough. Okay, time for the most exciting package of this whole video. Although the AirPods were pretty exciting too. Okay, there's like a lot of, oh, they're pink, but packing peanuts in here, so I don't know how to get this out. I got Dyson Air Wrap. Yeah, this is very exciting. I got a refurbished one off of eBay. The Prussian blue color. And it's the Air Wrap Complete Long with all the different attachments, and I'm so excited. I'm gonna use her right now.